Hey, welcome to the presentation of the third edition of the Open Summer of Code in Spain. My name is David Chavez, the main coordinator of the program in this country. Similar to the Belgium edition, OSUC usually takes place during the month of July in Madrid, but this year was a fully online event during 2 weeks, where 21 students developed 4 different projects aligned with the Agenda 2030 and the Sustainable Development Goals. During this video, you are going to see a brief presentation of each project. It has been done by the coach of the project as we didn't have time enough to record them by the students in English. I hope you will enjoy them. Thank you very much, and of course, see you next year.
Hi, I'm Edna. I'm the mentor of the Cultural Activity Project. This project is set in the context of the new normality and it addresses the cultural scene in large cities like Madrid. On the one hand, we have users who now have to plan in ahead the events that they want to attend because of limited capacity and also limited offer of events. And on the other hand, we have cultural organizations which are small, many working in neighborhoods that don't have the resources to publish their events. So our team developed a web application that offers an integrated view of all the events that are taking place in a city. So on the one hand, the organizations can add their events, and on the other hand, the users can either browse or can search for an event according to his preferences. Future plans include extending the scope of this project to other cities and also having a recommendation system according to the user profile.
Our team has developed a video game against the climate change. It is called Nia Mondo, that means our world in Esperanto, because it is our world and we need to take care of it. In these 2 weeks, we have developed the first screen, in which the main character is a tree that needs to fight against the rubbish in the forest. The tree is named Arbo, and it has to choose a weapon to clean the rubbish. One weapon is based on natural ingredients, while the other weapon is based on chemicals that can damage our sky and our seas. With this game, we want to raise awareness in a funny and entertaining way on how our actions can affect our world in the future.
Hey, welcome to the presentation of Schoolit. This team developed a web application to fight against poverty and bring equality to the educational systems. For example, in Spain, all years, families have to spend a lot of money to buy all the books and school materials for their kids. However, most of these books could be reused by others. Schoolit is a social network that aims to put in contact these families to share and lend in the books to avoid unnecessary expenses. Additionally, all the collected information is going to be published in the web following good data principle. That is, we will generate a knowledge graph of this network. In this way, we are going to provide structured data for other potential developers or users that want to reuse this data.
Avidox is a project that intends to analyze data to see how the COVID-19 crisis has changed our lifestyle. This crisis had a lot of consequences, mostly negative, but also positive. This project wants to discover through a series of question forms the positive consequences of the crisis. Based on those consequences, a recommender system will send the user reminders on good habits for us, our health, and our ecosystems.